And when I say copywriter, I'm not talking about copyrights, like protecting what you have from somebody from copying or stealing whatever you created. No, I'm talking about being a writer that can sell in print. You're actually helping other people, other companies sell or promote their products and services in print or in digital media today. And the best part about being good or getting good as a copywriter is you can promote yourself and eventually, hopefully, sell and promote your own products and services, either in print or even in any form of digital media. And the opportunities, income opportunities, are endless. There's no cap. There's no such thing as too much money. You get what you negotiate, and it's based on your experience and skills. That's basically it. And the next thing I would say is being an SEO expert. Now, being an SEO expert, basically, it's about getting good at helping people get their websites at the top of the search engines with the help of keywords, content, the images on the website, the videos. You just getting good at becoming an SEO expert, because everyone wants their website to be on the top of the search engines, and everyone wants everyone needs more traffic on the internet. So if you get good at being an SEO expert, the possibilities are endless. You get what you negotiate, and the better you can become, the more income opportunities. So that's that. And the next thing I would say is anything that's in the AI realm, as far as artificial intelligence goes. And this is going to be kind of broad, but AI is kind of on the merge. It's in the essence stage as we speak. So anything that's in the AI, whether you want to be an AI expert or whether you want to get into coding or get into becoming an engineer or a certified expert, anything that's in the AI space is really going to blow up within the next, I would say, 5 to 10 years. So if you get in that space, the earlier the better. And the opportunities are going to be endless, from B2B businesses to B2C. So the potential is it's really endless, in my opinion, based on where I see it's going. And the next thing I would say is you could be a social media marketing expert. Now, when I say social media marketing expert, I'm not talking about like somebody that's has a bunch of followers online and all that stuff, and you have YouTube channels and Facebook channels. You don't necessarily have to know all that stuff. You just have to understand the basics, how it works, how to get people started, and you can just coach other people on how to go about navigating online and really. And the last thing I would say is you can become a content manager, meaning that you can help people create content in so many ways. One, I'm not going to get into all the different ways how you can create content, but you can physically write content. You can use AI to write content. You can use other people to write content, but you just have to be a manager of content and help other people create their content, because a lot of people don't want to do it. They would rather pay somebody else to do it. So these are just a few of the high income skills areas of activity, and the possibilities are endless when it comes to doing this, So like and share this video. Tell me what you think below. Until next time, I'm out. Peace.